This video is to demonstrate a few tests on the H2 Dent Care. Now, this product does have elemental magnesium, I believe, in it. The tablets are gray. Let's look at the ingredients here. And it says magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Now, that is magnesium bicarbonate, actually. It will not release or produce any hydrogen. They're just trying to be tricky here in the phrasing. And also of note, magnesium bicarbonate can't exist in solid form. It only exists in aqueous solutions. So it's already mislabeling right there. Now, I'm concerned about these tablets, both on potential dosage, if it is actually producing hydrogen in your mouth, in reaction with your saliva. And then there are claims on their website that you'll see that it could potentially prevent Alzheimer's disease by off-gassing to the brain. Now, there isn't nearly enough hydrogen production, even in hydrogen water, like, drinking hydrogen water from the open cup hydrogen tablets will produce so much more hydrogen in your mouth, but we'd never use that as a strategy for any off-gassing to any neurological benefits. It's just insufficient for dose. So as you can see, these tablets are gray. They do have something making them gray. It's likely elemental magnesium. I'm going to crush these as a simulation of chewing. So it's not reacting even slightly. On the flip side, I'm going to do a diluted vinegar solution here. And we can see it react a little bit, in this case, in the vinegar. And again, this is why I'm a bit concerned about their proposed benefits here. It's slightly reacting here, as you can see, in the presence of acid. Not at all in water. Now, saliva is neutral in pH. It is basically just like water in terms of buffering capacity. So if it's not reacting in water, it shouldn't react in saliva. Now, we can test this. No hydrogen. So that means there's so many alkaline buffers in this tablet that even with the acid from the H2 blue, because the H2 blue is an acidic buffer, it can react directly with the magnesium, it's not producing any hydrogen. Okay. Now, as for with the vinegar. Still, not even 1.1 ppm. We did see it react a little bit, but it was insufficient. Now, of course, you're not going to have hundreds of milliliters of water in your mouth. You're going to have maybe 5 milliliters in your mouth when saliva is triggered from chewing. So next I'm going to test this, both acid assisted and just water. And of course, this is room temperature water. You can hear my tap running. I'm going to do 50-50 water and acid here. I'm going to pour it in the cap and slowly add it because I don't want to overfill. There we go. So first we'll do the water. We might get some drops reduced just because of the pure volume of magnesium in such a small space. So it's cloudy, but I don't see any reaction. That one drop might go. No. So it didn't even reduce the one drop again. Now, I expect it to reduce a lot with the acid assist, but this shows that it's not even 0.1 ppm in 6 milliliters of liquid simulated like saliva, you know, crushed like chewing. That is just negligible amounts of hydrogen. Now this is gonna foam up pretty good. So I'm guessing it's going to reduce quite a bit. It's 21. Yeah, see. See, it's going to go for a long ways. So that's at least 12 ppm, but again, only in 6 milliliters. That's with an acid assist, right? And remember that's 12 ppm in 6 milliliters. So, you know, about 1/85th of what we're testing it in. What I'm going to be doing now is sending these tablets to measure how much magnesium content is in them, how much magnesium is present in the water. That tells us how much is actually reacting when it's added to room temperature neutral water to simulate saliva. I'm also going to send them to gas chromatography because this isn't quite a scam like H2 World's other products. It actually has the potential to make hydrogen. However, they are so deficient in their knowledge of the chemistry to, you know, in how to do this, but also in you know, the requirements in dosing and concentration for a physiological benefit, that it's borderline a scam. But to me, it seems like this is the one product that they're actually trying to get to work. They just really don't know how to do it.